here. I am walking in the rain, if you can't tell, with Billy shorts and Taylor who's soaking wet. I'm surprised her neighborhood hasn't flooded. Well, I mean like, kind of, but like on the other side, not really. We are walking to Taylor's house, and this is the thing. Taylor, I hate you sometimes.
I know.
So, this is how it goes. Ready for this? Hey, Betty, let's hang out at your house. Okay. And then her friend Sabrina comes along. And she's like, oh, never mind. Riley can wait. So she starts playing with Sabrina, and I'm leaving behind. And we are suffering right now. It's like the zombie apocalypse is happening, but with water. We're walking and there's water splashing all over us. Gonna get frostbite. I'm soaking wet here. So is Taylor. There's cars passing by. We're running, but I can't because I have a camera and also I have slippery shoes on. Other than Taylor, who was barefoot. Thank you. There's a car waiting for me to pass, so I had to hurry. I wonder how big this splash is gonna be. Not as big as I wanted it. So now we're going into Taylor's home. I'm trying to walk as quickly as I can. Oh, it's raining. Feel like it's the rainforest. We're in shelter. We're in shelter. We're all soaking wet. We just went through tragedy. You guys have not experienced what we just went through. You guys have not experienced it. I swear.
Oh, under the water flip.
Yeah, and I'm gonna come with you.
Do what?
Change. I'm soaking wet. So, I swear you guys have not just been through what we experienced. Bradley is out.